Your Honor, good morning, good afternoon. I'm gonna walk downstairs. You're on mute.
Yes, I think they had muted me, but I took myself off mute.
Okay, I'm gonna walk downstairs to code enforcement just to pick up the physical files,
Okay.
so that I can go one by one. I believe that everything that we have here today is for lien reductions.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll
Thank
put
you.
myself on mute until we begin.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
Carlos Medio, can you hear me? Okay.
I'm on mute. Can you hear me?
Perfect. Yes. So
Okay.
we can hear you. But I'll put you in a brief mute as soon as we're ready.
Okay, one moment. My husband's on this call. You need to unmute, Michael. I can't hear you.
Do you know his alias is using Zoom?
I don't know what he's using for Zoom. Let me text him. What is your name on Zoom? We can't hear you.
Is he gonna join just a call or video and call?
I mean, he's there because I see him. You see him right there with the, he's waving.
Oh, Lalo's phone?
Him. That's him. That's him.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna rename him. Thank you.
Thank you. Lalo, can you hear?
Yes, hold on. Can you hear me now?
Yes, now we can.
Okay, there you go.
Listen, I like your background in San Francisco. That's nice.
Yeah, I thought I'd take the afternoon off.
Nice. All right. Okay, we're here, sir.
Okay, thank you.
What are we waiting for, Herman? I think that's it, right?
Oh, give me a second. There you go. Let me see.
Hi from Wyoming.
Hi, Monica.
Yeah. Yes, I'm on.
How are you?
Good. Are you ready to get started?
We're good.
I'm ready.
Yeah. Is this being recorded? Can we have it recorded, Mr. Correa?
It's being live streamed.
Live stream, okay. And we can have it recorded as well?
It is being recorded as well.
Okay.
Your Honor, can I go through the rules of having a virtual meeting?
Absolutely. Please go ahead.
So I can lay them down? All right.
Yes,
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll make my appearance.
please.
Lorenzo Cubiella, Deputy Town Attorney, Miami Lakes. Today's hearing is following rules that we adopted to allow for virtual meetings, quasi-judicial meetings. So this is a quasi-judicial meeting. The only items that are being discussed today are those with regards to fine reductions. Because they're not really contested items, we've decided to allow these for code enforcement. So the only thing that's really before you is the fine reduction that has been offered from the town. We will hear testimony from the applicant for the fine reduction, and then make a ruling, which Your Honor will make. So what we're going to do is we're going to go one by one. So when I call the case matter up, I will ask the property owner to be sworn in. The magistrate, special magistrate, Monica Segura, who's on the line, will go ahead and swear you in. Once you're sworn in, I will read the recommendation of the town, and you can either accept or not accept. This is not a time to readdress the reasons for the fines or whether they were fair or not fair. Unfortunately, that time has passed, and that's not what's before the court today. What's before the magistrate today is the fine reduction, whether the fine reduction is fair and whether you accept it or whether you don't. So I just wanted to lay that out. These meetings are being recorded. They are also being live streamed for the population, so everyone is hearing what's going on today. And it is a matter of a public record, so it will be preserved as such. Pretty much those are kind of the ground rules. If anybody has any general questions, you can go ahead and ask them. At this time, just raise your hand, and Herman, who's on the call, will unmute you. and then you can ask your question. Anybody has any questions?
Mr. Correa, just one brief item for the record. Again, my name is Monica Segura, and it's my pleasure to be your magistrate today. Please wait till Mr. Correa calls the case, and then you'll present, and then I will swear you in individually. Just for the record, today is Monday, May 18th, and we're beginning at 2:11 p.m. Mr. Correa, please go ahead.
Okay. The first matter is matter 2019-0368, Allison Group, LLC. Who is here from Allison Group, LLC? Okay. All right. Germán, can you unmute Milena Salazar? Germán?
Can you hear me?
Germán?
Yes.
Can you hear me, Lorenzo?
Yes, can you unmute Milena Salazar?
Yeah.
Can you hear us now?
Okay. We can hear you now. So who from the three of you is representing Allison Group, LLC?
Milena Salazar.
Okay.
O sea,
Ms. Salazar, can you please raise your right hand? Okay. First, can you please state your full name and your home address?
Milena Salazar, 4051 Southwest 136th Avenue, Miramar, Florida, 33027.
Okay. Now the honor, Ms. Segura, if you can please swear them in.
Absolutely. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I swear that the testimony
Milena Salazar, 4051 Southwest.
Yes, and thank you so much. I'm going to say the oath that you have to repeat after me so that you can properly testify today. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. I swear
I swear
that the testimony that I shall give,
the testimony
that I shall give,
that I assure you
that I shall give,
I shall give.
and shall give
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
all the truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you very much. Now, Mr. Correa will call the case, and then you can present your testimony. Mr. Correa?
Yes. So, Your Honor, in this matter, case number 2019-0368, it is recommended that you, as the magistrate, reduce the code compliance fines from $11,916.68 to $3,241.67. This is equal to a 75% reduction of the fines and interest of the amount of $2,891 with 67 cents, and costs incurred to the town to process this case in the amount of $350. Again, it's recommended that the fines and costs be reduced to $3,241.67.
Then at this juncture, you could either accept or not accept the fine reductions. What's your response?
Van a reducir el por 75%. Okay. And you're trying to reduce to be more clear about it, you're trying to reduce it as 75%?
Yes, and
If
if
you
you
can
could
please-
state your name for the record.
My name?
Yes.
Jose Belloso. I'm a family member with her. I'm just trying to interchange it from English to Spanish so she can understand more what's the process.
Your Honor, can we swear him in that he'll
Yes,
testify and translate correctly?
Yes.
Absolutely. Because you're testifying, if you could please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I swear that
I swear that
the testimony that I shall give
the testimony I shall give
shall be the truth,
will be the truth,
the whole truth,
the
and
whole-
nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Okay. And if you could state your name again for the record.
Jose Belloso.
Thank you. So yes, the fine reduction is for 75%, and then at this juncture, either she could accept or not accept.
Okay, que en este momento puede aceptar. Exempt, it means what in this case?
Accept the 75% in reductions, which Mr. Correa, if you could state the numbers again.
Yes, Your Honor. The amount it's a reduction from $11,968.1668 to $3,241.67. So the amount that would be paid would be $3,241.67.
Que el amount que va a pagar son 3,468.
No, it's $3,241.67.
3,241.67. Okay, we agree on the
reduction.
reduction.
Okay. Thank you so much. Afterwards, you could contact the building department and make arrangements for the payment. Thank you very much.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You
You
too.
too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for your help.
Mr. Correa, the next case?
Yes, Your Honor. The next case is matter 2014-0356, and this is Sergio Barres and Andrea Eva Andrade. If you could please raise your hand. Okay. Germán, could you unmute Sergio Barres and Andrea? Perfect.
Perfect.
Your Honor, if you want to swear them in.
Yes, absolutely. If you could raise your right hand and repeat after me. I swear
I swear
I
that
swear
the testimony that I shall give
that the testimony that I shall give
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Okay. Counsel, if you could call your case and present.
Okay. Mr. Barres and Ms. Andrea, could you please state your name individually and your addresses individually for the record?
Sergio Luis Barres, 9137 Northwest 169th Street, Miami Lake.
Thank you. And Ms. Andrea?
Okay, no, I'm not Miss Andrea. I'm just here to translate for Mr. Vargas. My name is Milagros Delgado.
Okay, you're going to be translating?
Yes,
Okay. Your Honor, could you swear her in as the translator?
I did.
She did. She rose her right hand.
But she didn't swear that she, just for, to make the
As a
record clear,
translator.
she could swear
Right.
that she's translating, right?
Okay. If you could raise your right hand again, Miss
Delgado.
Delgado. Thank you. I swear that the testimony
I swear that the testimony
that I shall give
that I shall give
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
so help
and
me
nothing
God.
but the truth.
The whole truth, so help me God.
Oh my God. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mr. Correa, please proceed.
Okay, I think we lost, oh no, we didn't lose it. They went to another little square. Okay, so Your Honor, it's recommended that the magistrate today reduce the code compliance fines from 18,006 with 11 cents to 5,646 with 83 cents. This is equal to a 70% reduction of the fines and interest in the amount of 5,296 and 83 cents, and costs incurred by the town to process this matter in the amount of $350. Again, the total amount would be owed would be 5,646 and 83 cents.
How do you respond?
I have a question, or actually he has the question. This is
Sure.
the first time we ever do this. Is this like the only option? That's the only reduction? So
That is,
either yes or no?
yes, it's either you accept it or you don't, and then Mr. Correa could explain what occurs, but my understanding is that the
Right.
fines.
It's not a matter of wanting to say no. It's just that financially, I don't know if we have any other options, or if he has any other options. That's his question.
Right.
It's the maximum allowable.
Right.
That's the maximum allowed.
Right.
That's what
Okay.
we're offering you.
No,
You wanna go-
no option.
Okay,
yes.
so he accepts.
Okay. So please make arrangements with the building department after this call to make payment.
Okay, so I call directly the building department, and the rest is with them.
Correct.
Any person to contact there?
Mr. Correa?
Mr. Morales, who would they contact? Mr. Morales? Or Mr. Medio?
We will send them an order. Once they get the order, they can just contact the code enforcement department.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so this concludes the call. I can disconnect? Are
Yeah,
we done?
that's it. You're done. Thank you.
Thank you.
¿Alguien habla con Ariel? ¿No? Bueno.
Okay. The next matter, Your Honor,
Next matter, yes.
Give me just 1 second, Your Honor.
Sure.
I'm going to take a.
Sure.
Your Honor, we can go back on the record.
Okay, perfect. Call your next case, please.
I apologize. So I have this as 2007-11-60, Maria, Estate of Maria de Los Angeles Sanchez.
Mhm.
Who is here from that?
Under Kelly Sanchez. My name's Alberto Sanchez. I'm the personal representative for the estate of Maria Sanchez.
Mr. Sanchez, a quick question. I think I might have handled that matter. And I just wanted to make sure. Who did the estate for you?
The estate was Scott Bugay, and the closing on the house or of the asset itself was Damaris.
Pereira.
Yeah, Pereira.
Okay, so the attorney that represented you his name was Scott?
Well, the probate attorney is Scott Bugay.
Okay.
Right, and then we sold the asset, right? Or, which was the house that we're talking about, 8360 Dundee. And the closing agent there was Damaris Pereira.
And who were the other beneficiaries, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh, my brother Valentin Sanchez and my sister Idania Lopez.
And none of them were represented by separate attorneys?
And what in the
probate?
In the probate action.
No.
Okay, all right. It
Yeah.
just the name popped out to me, and I felt that I did a lot of probate at one point.
Yeah.
Still do
Yeah.
probate, so I thought I might have a conflict, so I was just double checking that.
Yeah,
All right.
I mean, Scott Bugay, the probate attorney, sent out all the papers, for the other, for my sister and my brother to sign off on it. I mean, and they did. Everything's done at this point. So, can you hear me?
I could hear you. Mr. Covilla, we can't hear you. Mr. Covilla?
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, Your Honor, I'm fine if you would like to go ahead and swear in the personal representative.
Sure, and just for the record, and I'm sure you have this, Mr. Covilla, you have the documentation regarding the personal representative to make an appearance?
I do not have anything on his part. We can either take it by testimony or I can search for it. Do you have the case number? I don't mind searching for it. I'm already here.
The case number for the probate?
Yeah.
Yes, just to make sure that we have it on file.
Yeah, can I turn around and pick it up real quick?
Absolutely.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
That I had sent a copy along with it. So here's the order from the judge. Case number 2019-4723-C as in cat, P as in Paul. It was signed by Circuit Court Judge Milton Hirsch.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Everything looks fine, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you very much. Sir, if you could raise your right hand and repeat after me.
Sure.
I swear that the testimony that I shall give
I swear that the testimony that I shall give
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you very much. Mr. Correa, please proceed.
Okay, Your Honor, it is recommended in this matter that the magistrate reduce the code compliance fines from a total of $24,230 with 16 cents to $7,514. This is equal to 70% reduction of the fines and interest and the cost incurred by the town to process the case.
Mr. Correa, can you repeat the numbers again?
Sure. So it's a reduction of fines from $24,230 and 16 cents to $7,514 and 05. The $7,514 with 5 cents is equal to 70% reduction of fines and includes the fines and interest in the amount of $7,164 with 5 cents and the cost incurred by the town to process the case in the amount of $350. Together, that amount is $7,514 with 5 cents.
Thank you, Mr. Correa. Mr. Sanchez, do you accept the reduction?
I do accept.
Okay, thank you very much. How the process works is I'll get the orders, I'll sign them, then they'll be sent to you, then payment will be made.
They'll be sent to, I live in Orlando, Florida, so they'll be sent to me here or?
Mr. Correa, is there a number that he could call just to make arrangements for it to be sent?
You're again Alberto Sanchez, right?
Alberto Sanchez, 5435 Cedar Pine Court.
Orlando, Florida. Yeah, that's the address that we have. I'm sure that it will be sent up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is the address we have on file.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Medio.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Sanchez. Appreciate your time.
Thank you all. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good time. Bye.
Bye.
Mr. Correa, the next matter?
The next matter, Your Honor, is matter 2009-0047, and this is for Michael Cosculluela and Lisette Cosculluela. We have them.
I believe we do.
Yes, we are.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
If you could please raise your right hand and repeat after me.
Wait, my husband's not on the line.
Sure.
On the line. Can you guys hear?
Yes. I see you both. Okay. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. And again, my name is Monica Segura, and I'll be your magistrate for today. Mr. Correa will present the case, and prior to that, I'll swear you both in. Okay. If you could raise your right hand and repeat after me. I swear.
I swear.
That the testimony that I shall give.
Testimony that I shall give.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth.
The whole truth.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you. Mr. Correa, please proceed.
Okay. Your Honor, it is recommended that you reduce the code compliance fines from a total of $23,646.77 to $7,339.03. The $7,339.03 is a 70% reduction of the fines and interest in the amount of $6,000. Is a 70% reduction of the fines and interest to $6,989 with 3 cents, and costs incurred by the town to process the case in the amount of $350. Again, the total amount amounts to $7,339 with 03 cents.
Thank you, Mr. Correa. Do you, residents, do you accept the fine reduction?
Yes, we do.
Okay. Thank you very much. How it would work, I would see these orders regarding the fine reductions, and then they'll be sent to you, and then payment will be made.
Okay, just a question. How long does the order take? Because I've got a lender that has a mortgage on our house that has been asking for a copy of the order so they can release a escrow.
We'll try to get it to you this week. Just with the COVID issues, we're just working with those things, but as soon as possible and hopefully by the end of the week.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Thank you.
Bye.
Mr. Correa.
Your Honor, the next matter is 2019-1937, Frederick G. Moore. Frederick G. Moore. I think we have.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello? Yes, we can't see you.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
Mr. Moore should be on the line. He's under the name M. Barmby.
Okay. I think I saw that.
Okay.
There you go. There you are. Hello? Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Good afternoon.
Hi, Mr. Moore.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Moore. Matt,
We're going to go ahead and swear you all in. If you could state your name for these purposes, and we have the residents, and what's your relationship to them?
My name is Marlene Lorenzo, and I'm the landscaper that performed the cleanup. He asked me to sign in on the call today.
Okay, thank you so much. Again, if you could raise your right hand and repeat after me. I swear that the testimony that I shall give
I swear that the testimony I shall give
I swear
shall
that
be
the
the truth.
testimony I shall give
shall be what?
Shall be the truth,
Shall be the truth,
shall be
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
the whole
and
truth.
nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Thank you. Mr. Correa, please proceed.
Your Honor, this is a matter for a fine reduction. So this is the matter that's before us today. And the matter, the town's recommendation is that Your Honor reduce the fines from $5,600 to $600. This is equal to 1 day's fine of $250 and the cost incurred by the town to process the case in the amount of $350. This is the maximum allowable reduction under our code.
Thank you, Mr. Correa. Mr. Murray, do you accept the fine reduction?
You're asking me?
Yes.
Fine reduction to what, $600?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'll accept it.
Okay. So then how the matter would work is I'll receive the orders, I'll review them, and then they'll be sent to you, and then payment will be made at that point.
Okay, when you're going to send them? That's the problem I seem to be having is receiving the mail. What address are you going to send them to?
Mr. Correa, if you could confirm that for him.
The address we have on file is 14301 Leaning Pine Drive.
No, well, I think we have an address in Winter Haven of 3988 Warbler Avenue, Winter Haven.
Warbler Drive.
Warbler Drive.
Yeah, 3988 Warbler Drive.
Okay, we've updated it.
You want this? You have the zip?
33388, I believe.
No, it's 33880.
33880. That's correct.
Yeah, that's one of the problems I had in not getting what was to be done.
Okay. Well, thank you. Hopefully we've taken care of that. We appreciate your time, sir.
Any idea when I might expect this so I can keep checking? I don't want to miss this and get a fine on not paying the fine.
Right. You should be receiving it within the next week and a half.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
you all.
Thank you. Mr. Correa, do we have any more matters?
That is all, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.